Deep in the sparkling waters of Moonlight Lake, young Mira discovers a shimmering doorway beneath the surface. With a splash, she dives into a magical underwater world filled with glowing castles, rainbow-colored fish, and talking turtles wearing tiny crowns. The kingdom is ruled by Queen Leora, a gentle mermaid whose golden harp keeps the waters alive with music. But a mischievous water sprite has stolen the kingdom's magical pearl, causing the colors to fade and the music to vanish. Mira teams up with a brave little frog, a clever seahorse, and a school of playful fish to follow sparkling clues through hidden tunnels, secret gardens, and glittering caves. Along the way, they solve riddles, escape ticklish seaweed traps, and ride waves of glowing bubbles. In the end, Mira returns the pearl, restoring the kingdom's magic, and earns a crown-shaped shell as a token of